Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into NordLocker, a powerful encryption tool available at NordLocker.com. Data security is more important than ever, and NordLocker aims to simplify safeguarding your sensitive files. Imagine a digital vault for your most precious documents, photos, and videos. That's essentially what NordLocker provides. It employs end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are scrambled into unreadable code before they even leave your device. Only you, with the correct decryption key, can unlock and access them. This makes NordLocker a great solution for protecting against various threats, such as ransomware attacks, data breaches, or even just accidental loss. Think about it: if your laptop is stolen, the thief won't be able to access your encrypted files without your password. This added layer of security gives you peace of mind knowing your data remains confidential, even in the wrong hands. NordLocker isn't just about protecting data at rest. It also allows you to securely share files with others. You can encrypt files before sending them, ensuring that only the intended recipient can decrypt and view them. This is crucial for collaborating on sensitive projects or sharing confidential information with colleagues or clients. Navigating NordLocker's interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can simply drag and drop files into your NordLocker vault, and they'll be encrypted automatically. The platform also offers cloud storage integration, providing an extra layer of redundancy for your encrypted files. So, whether you're a business professional dealing with sensitive client data, a creative protecting your intellectual property, or just someone who values their digital privacy, NordLocker at NordLocker.com offers a robust and accessible solution for encrypting and securing your files. Check it out and take control of your digital security. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tips and reviews on the latest tech.